To local news now, a security breach at the Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay, St. James, just after midday Sunday, led to delays in several flights and the processing of passengers. Transport Minister Darrell Vaz says 2 foreigners were detained in relation to the incident. Dwayne Anderson has the details.
The customary lines at the Sangster International greeted us when we visited the airport on Sunday afternoon, an indication that things were operating as normal. But earlier, there was panic among some due to what the Transport Minister described as a security breach.
So I can confirm that approximately 1 p.m. today at the Sangster International Airport, there was a security breach in which an item, which has now been identified as a lighter, but a lighter in the form of a gun, was found after going through the sterile area. This caused, obviously, the emergency procedures and protocols to be evoked immediately. And it lasted for about an hour and 40 minutes, obviously causing disruption to departing flights and to some extent incoming flights.
Early stages yet into the investigation, but progress has already been made.
There have been 2 people that have been detained in relation to the incident. There happen to be tourists that are leaving the country. So it is surmised that the possibility of this lighter gun would have come in to Jamaica, which is another area of concern because it will be coming from another jurisdiction into Jamaica.
The Transport Minister said while the protocols worked after the discovery was made, the initial breach points to a need for improvements.
Thankfully, within an hour and a half, we were able to return to normality after identifying both the passengers and the item in question. So what does this do? This makes me obviously want a fulsome report, and it also will make me dictate that a review, an audit and review of the security protocols at both airports are reviewed with a view of strengthening them, not delaying passengers, but strengthening the processes to make sure that whatever happened, to allow for it to get through the sterile area, the screening area, we can strengthen that.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.